In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First, open an app you wanna use in this view and launch it in the background. Now, tap on the icon of it at the top, and from this pop-up, select Open in split screen view. Then tap on a second app you wanna use and enjoy using both at once. Now, if you want to exit split screen, go back into the background and swipe it like you would any other app. You can also hold those three dots in the middle. Use them to resize your apps, but also to exit split screen by swiping all the way to the right or to the left. Using the same three dots, this time by clicking on it, you can switch places of your apps and switch placement of split screen, this icon on the left. You can also tap on star icon and tap on Add App to Toolbar, Taskbar, Home Screen, or Apps Edge Panel. Just pick the one you use the most. After you do that, you can close split screen, and every time you want to use those apps in split screen view, you can tap on Created Shortcut. To delete your shortcut, hold it and hit Remove. Last but not least, most people miss that you can tap on those lines at the top of your apps. This way you can click on this X, which means that you will close this app and the second one will be opened in full screen view instantly. Or tap on those two arrows, which are opposite. If you click on those, your app will be opened in full screen view and the second one will be closed. To switch from split to pop-up, use pop-up view icon. To go back to split screen, click on split screen view 1. Lastly, if you want to switch any of those apps without exiting split screen, click on this icon of dots on the left, pick a different app and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!